Rindt Vehicle Design. I've got Brian here and Trevor. We're going to have a little chat about what's been going on and what you can see from Rindt Vehicle Design in the future. So I'm going to go first. I know you guys have been busy bees. I'm going to pass to you first. What has been the thing that's been keeping you guys most busy? What kind of customer, what kind of like car, what sort of business?
Our customers changed. So where, I don't know, 2-3 years ago, everybody wanted OEM, everybody wanted stuff back to classic. Basically the old adage, isn't it? Whatever happens in the States happens here 10 years later.
It's true.
Singer, you can't fault them. Amazing cars. But I think, from my personal point of view, gone a bit too far. You know, do you want to pay £2 million for a car? I would like the opportunity to.
Likewise, I'm working on it.
Have I got that opportunity? No. But I think I like Resto Mod, as in old school Resto Mod. So it still shuts like a Porsche. It still sounds like a Porsche. It still smells like a Porsche. So we're trying to go along those avenues. So we're still doing OEM restoration because it's got its place in the market. But I think people are a lot less hung up now on it's got to be matching numbers. It's got to be the right colour. You know, if you're paying us to build a car, a bit like you're doing with your 912, why do we not change the colour? Because it doesn't have to be green. It was green. We have the ability to make it any colour. So colours are a big thing, you know. If you look down here, but obviously I like orange, but you know, there's some great coloured cars down here, and it's a fun thing to do, and you can completely change the personality of a car through colour. So that's one thing we're doing, but we're now doing 4-litre supercharged. So me with my little race hat on, I'm trying to get the most I can out of old school chassis and have a nice gradual linear curve of endless power. I've kind of learnt, to my detriment, that when you use a turbo, it kicks you in the back, which is a great feeling if you've got 4 wheels in a straight line. Not such a great feeling if you're on a bit of lock, because all of a sudden the car's unsettled and you're swapping ends and all over the place. So what we're trying to do is develop cars that are fast, sound great, but not, you know, I don't want to wake the dead, so within tolerances, but look really cool, but have this endless power. So effortless power is what we're trying to come up with. And that's really been down a lot to Trevor, to be honest. He's
keeping quiet there.
Yeah, no, well, I've been working with Brian about 9 months now. I was a customer, right? So, you know, I've kind of bought into the business. And the key thing, I think, with the cars that we're producing now is getting a 911 that is still a 911, which is what Brian's saying. It's still natural, it's still raw, but getting the most out of it. So the 4-litre supercharged is our first kind of foray into that. So we're building 5 RSR style cars and 5 what we call CHRs, which is slightly lowered roofline, more Resto Mod, more Ling, if you like it, from a Porsche perspective. But those cars are just epic builds that we're building. But as you can see behind, you know, we've got a few other cars on the go as well. So if you don't want a 4-litre car, you can have a 3.6, a 3.8, you know, with throttle bodies and extra power as well. So all of that packaged up in a car which has got modern suspension, modern creature comforts, but still smells and drives like a Porsche, which is, you know,
perfect combo, really. Yeah, I feel like I'm kind of going on that journey as well, because obviously I had my Targa. I said, OEM. I was one of those people, and now I'm kind of I've got my 912 with you, and we're kind of looking at different colours and stuff, and the interior is going to be slightly non-OEM. So I feel like I'm treading that path now.
But I think that's the way, isn't it? You know, if you're going to spend, you know, these aren't £2.50 cars. You know, if you're going to make a worthwhile investment into an old school Porsche, one, it's super cool, love that. But two, you might as well get your value for money. You know, if you're building a house, you don't accept somebody else's design. So if you're building a car, why not work with us? Tell us what you want. You know, if some of the ideas are horrendous, we will say we can do that for you, but I think you're a lunatic. But it's all doable. But have something that's bespoke, and it's, you know, the idea is that you open the garage door in the morning and you smile.
And it's exciting, and it's something that not everyone has. You've got your own thing, you put your own fingerprint on it. And I think as well, that's the beauty of going somewhere that's reputable like this. You can have something built bespoke and it's got that name behind it and people know what it is, rather than just having some kind of Heinz 57 from some back street wherever where you thought, I bought this off eBay and stuck this here and blah blah. You know, you've got a bespoke built from somewhere that people know. So I think often the problem behind people not wanting to do the resto mod stuff is the loss of value or whatever, and people want OEM because it retains the value. But actually, if you do it with you guys,
the market's changing.
Yeah,
you know, and I think it's the same with any market, property market, diamond market, orange juice, anything. It's constantly in flux. But where we are right now is, yes, OEM will always have its place because you know, if I found a one owner 911S from 1965. It would be exactly as it left Stuttgart.
Yeah.
But 90% of the cars we get aren't that car.
No.
So why not build something that
really
just makes you smile? It's really special. It's something. What I want to try and do is build cars that never get sold. They get handed down to a son or a daughter.
Yeah.
They hand it down to a son or a daughter.
Yeah.
If that happens, we're doing the job right.
Yeah.
And that's kind of where we're at, you know. So it's very straightforward stuff, but we want raw Porsche that are still cool.
And we're shipping worldwide now as well, right?
Yeah,
so,
exactly.
I mean, we haven't got quite as many followers as this guy.
No.
But
they don't listen anymore anyway, so don't worry about that. No one's listening to you.
You know, we're shipping to the States, we're shipping to Asia, we're doing cars in Europe, so we're doing left-hand drive as well.
Yeah.
We even had somebody last week who might be shipping a car to Hawaii. So
yeah,
Neil,
exactly.
if you're watching, looking
Yes.
forward to building that.
Exactly.
You're going to get to do a work trip over
Yeah,
there.
exactly.
Work trip.
We're going to do the reveal,
Funny that.
Yeah.
But
surfboard.
we have been very lucky. You know, we've been in bed with you for God knows how long. Respect what
Sorry
you do.
about that.
Yeah, no, well, we enjoy working with you, so there's far worse to work with. But we're really trying to change the sort of complexion of what we do. So, yes, we were really well known for restoration, and we still are, and we take great pride in that. But we really want to set the bar a lot higher in the way of a rugged, raw Porsche.
Yeah.
So that's what we're trying to do.
I think you're doing a very good job. I mean, look around. I like coming down here. I kind of make up that I'm coming to check on my car, but I actually just coming to nose around really and just see what you guys are up to.
Well, it's fun. I can't complain.
I can't wait to get my 912 back. In whatever colour it ends up being. I think we're going to have an argument on
It'll
this
be
one.
a Christmas thing. We'll put a little bow on it and all of that.
And you're going to be in a Santa Claus outfit.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, I'll do anything for viewers.
I'm not really Ruby Stone if I know as well.
That'd be cool actually.
Nothing wrong with Ruby Stone.
I like Ruby Stone.
Like Ruby
It's been
Stone.
a bit rinsed recently, but I like it.
Yeah, but it's
Ruby
only-
Star as it's
Yeah, Ruby Star now.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's all in the name.
Yeah.
But there you go. But we'll show you around a few of the projects
Yeah,
we're doing, and
absolutely.
we've got a few really quite special cars actually at the moment. See what we can do. This is part of the Lovell collection. A friend of ours that races is going to win the Boxers Cup actually next week. That's necessary to be there.
No pressure.
Or somewhere else.
Yeah.
But Super Sport cab
Wow. Okay.
with brown seats. Now they've come back into fashion.
Golds and browns and
Browns are
things.
back.
They're back.
They're back.
Yep.
So this is one of Johnny's cars. There's another 911 cab out there, 3.2. There was a couple of 3.2 coupes. There's a
The
Ferrari.
same bloke?
Same bloke. So he had the sense to put away 10, 12 cars about 7 years ago. They've not moved. We're dragging them out, recommissioning them, selling them. So kind of cool thing to do.
Smart bloke.
Yeah, clever chap. So then I'll just walk you through the line quick. So that's a 69 right-hand drive T.
Okay.
It's had a colour change, a bit like we were saying. Doesn't have to be red.
Feeling the pressure now.
Rindt RSR. Love that car. It's going to be 4 litre supercharged. Watch this space.
So there's going to be 5 of these?
5 of those, and that's it. Limited run.
Okay.
So we're doing just 5. So 4 litre supercharged. Some very clever stuff on it. Composite brakes, electronic suspension, electric air conditioning, 4 different cooling systems. Nice and loud, but not too loud.
Wow.
But we're getting renders done, and then we'll be releasing them.
And you can choose any colour.
Any colour, as long as it's orange. Any colour. An S. So we're doing that for a gentleman over in Hong Kong. Rather a cool thing.
Wow.
So that's rather nice. And silver, very old school.
Lovely.
Nice thing.
Can't argue with that.
Another 911 right-hand drive. That's a 72 oil flap. So as you know, not many oil flaps around.
Nope.
So that would be nice. And then this is a bit of a nod to what we're doing at the moment. So 964, but resto mod. So Viper Green,
yeah,
to match his existing car that's in Viper Green. I'm guessing that's a Taycan. But lovely colour. But we're doing glass roof, 3.6 rather, on throttle bodies again to be around about 300 brake horse.
Nice.
Putting some very cool wheels on it. It'll be a nice thing.
Paint's amazing.
Yeah,
really,
it's
really
pretty
nice.
good. And then 356, again, we're doing resto mod. So right-hand drive, all the steelwork and paint's now done. Engine, now done. So bigger brake horsepower, cool exhaust, drop it down low. We're doing a very sort of agricultural interior, so it'll be lots of blacks and aluminium and stuff like that. So that'll be quite cool. That's well on its way.
Love these. They're on the shopping list. I'd love
they're
one of them.
gorgeous, aren't they? Yeah. And then that was my race car from last year.
Still in one piece?
Still in one bit, yeah, but that's only because I didn't race it. But it's now going to be a 964 fast road car. So again, 3.6, twin spark, throttle bodies, about 300 brake horse, but we're doing a jazzy interior, putting a half a cage in it. This, I love. So we actually, we have built OUW9F. This is OUW12F. So a 68 short wheelbase that we've made wide body, ducktail, 3.2, Gen V throttle bodies, all pared down, and might even be for sale. The customer we bought it for, and built it for rather, he's now decided that he's going to go racing, and it's going to cost him more than £2.50.
I like
so
£2.50 is the benchmark.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, well, maybe £3, £4. But this thing's insane. But let me show you the best bit is back here, because we're all kind of petrol heads.
Yeah.
So
here's the money shot.
That's got to be the best thing about it.
Wow.
So that looks pretty cool. But we've done it so that it's not too loud.
Rindt on here.
Throttle body's 3.2. You know, it's a genuine right-hand drive, short wheelbase shell. So nice thing. Air conditioning, everything hid away.
Yeah, those dials are amazing because they look like the original ones, but
they're not. Yeah.
Wow.
So not a bad thing.
Very cool.
There you go.
Love that.
So as always, good to see you. We'll see you again. And the 912.
Right?
Yeah, my hands cut. Have you not told the dog story?
I haven't told the dog story yet.
Tom is a big dog person. I am a big dog person. You know Boo very well. Boo is at home today because she's not too well. But anyway, the other day we're coming home, or home, I call this home. There's a dog got flattened in the road in front of us. So not very happy about that. Saw the dog crawl under a car. So there were 8 or 9 of us trying to convince this very, very scared dog to come out. And after an hour, I'd had enough. So I leant under the car, grabbed the dog. He mauled me to bits. So I ended up for 3.5 hours in A&E. But we saved the dog.
Save the dog. You nearly lost your hands.
That's the main thing, isn't
We
it?
You don't
saved
really
the
need
dog.
using your hands every day.
Absolutely. So the dog was fine. So we're still building nice Porsches, but we also save dogs.
Yeah, so yeah, come get your Porsche built, and if your dog gets flattened nearby,
Yeah, I'll save it.
absolutely.